So I got a query. What's lowest CPC you saw for Google search ads in US, Canada? I'm curious how low Google cares still give impressions. Okay, so in case if you ask me, by default Google says that the minimum bid to run ad is dollar 0.01, but practically, in case if you ask me, like, you are trying to run search ads in US and Canada, you can barely see this and you're like, I have to pay dollars. So what is the minimum amount Google gives you? Okay, let me tell you, be very honest with you, okay, that bidding actually depends on the quality score of the campaign. The quality score over here means that how optimized your campaign, your keyword and your website are, and how relevant they are. For instance, let me tell you another story. For instance, if you are in a store and there is a product which gives the shop owner $10 commission, and there is another product which gives the shop owner $1 commission. If you ask the shop owner which product he should needs to display at the main point, definitely you're going to say that the product which gives the most commission, and that is $10, he's going to place it on the main front. But what is happening is that the product which is giving him lowest profit, and that is $1, he is putting at the main front. You must be like, why he is doing it? It is because he is giving that product more money. You are saying that that product is $10 commission, and the one he had put on the main place, that is giving him just $1 commission. Why he has put it? Because he has got the more turnover. Because in an hour, the $1 product, 20 people bought it, and he actually earned $20. And the product which was giving him $10 profit, actually a single guy just bought that product. So although that product is giving the shop owner 10 times more profit, but he is putting that on back because the turnover of the other product is better, because 20 people bought that product in an hour. So same case applies over here. Let's say your bid is $10, and your competitor bid is $1, and still he is showing up and above your ad because he is getting more clicks. He is getting 20 clicks on his ad in 60 minutes, while your ad is getting just a single click on ad. Okay, which is giving more revenue to Google. Definitely, although your competitor has 10 times lower cost than you, but your competitor is making Google earn $20, and while you are paying 10 times more than your competitor with a $10 bid, but since you just got a single click, your Google is earning just $10 from you. So even at the 10 times more, your ad is shown less on a second number. So the minimum bid actually depends upon your campaign optimization, your quality score, campaign management, relevancy, and how attractive your ad and keyword structure and everything is. So make sure to work on these things to get the lowest possible CPC for your running ads on, even if it's any country, even if it's US, Canada, or any other country. What you have to do is you have to come up with a working campaign, and that can actually gives you the lowest campaign. And yes, you can still get, although it's very difficult, but you can still be charged $0.01 for a click. Okay, less competitive campaign and higher quality score, so this can still work. So yeah, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. And in case if you are looking to hire us to work with you in setting up Google ads, Facebook ads, and SEO services campaign, you can find the details in the description on how you can work with us. Thank you once again. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.